Hi guys, I hope you all are doing great and taking good care of yourselves. As you can see, today I have with me this beauty which is a New Balance bat. The product name is TC590 Plus and it is priced at 9,999, that is 10,000 rupees. And this bat I have received courtesy Selection Center Sports, SCS that is. And if you are staying in Mumbai and if you have access to Selection Center Sports, you can avail a discount of 25 to 30% on this particular bat. So probably if it's priced at 10,000 rupees, you may end up getting it at 7,500 or 7,000 rupees from their store. Now as you can see, this beauty is by New Balance. It feels nice and decently on heavy. If I were to talk about myself, I prefer lighter bats, but I know of a lot of people who like nice and chunky bats, but slightly on the heavier side. The weight distribution is on the upper side. This is what I feel on the initial holding of this bat. It feels nice and slightly heavy. So for all the people who like bats to be slightly heavier on the upper side compared to the weight distribution towards the lower part, this is for those people. And right out of the box, it feels nice and you can feel that power when you're bringing it down in your drive. Now this bat is decently thick, as you can see. It's decently thick on the sweet spot of the bat, that is around this area. It's not very thick compared to some other bats that I've seen. It has nice straight grains, almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the ones towards the inner side, if you are a right-handed batsman, the grains towards the inner side are thinner, but they are still straight and there is no knotting, as you can see on this willow. It's a nice good English willow. Now what I've learned, because it's slightly darker on the outer side for a right-handed batsman, if you even end up edging some shots, the damage on the willow is comparatively less because the wood, which is slightly darker, is slightly older and the lighter the wood is softer. But at the same time, the softer wood ends up providing a nice ping when you're probably going to play your shots. So it's a nice good balance of the two grains, probably meeting just away from the sweet spot, that is the center spot. So you still get your sweet spot to be nice and light. And at the same time, as I said, the weight of the bat also plays a good role. Now this is roughly around 1215 grams. That is what I checked. If you were to oil it, probably take another 20 to 30 grams to add to this and your bat will be ready. That is if you oil it up. So this is a nice and a good bat, on slightly on the heavier side. Now if I were to talk about the grip is not completely on the slimmer side, not on the thin side. It's decent and chunky for one to hold. If you can see, my glove is rolling across nicely over here. It's not too thin, and if you would want it to be a little thicker, you can go ahead and add another grip on top of it. If one were to talk about the looks of it, it is a nice and a slick looking bat. It has these nice reflective stickers on it. The reds and the silver, they go very well against each other. It complements very nicely and it has this nice hexagonal design going on inside the stickers, which makes it look nice and fun. And on the back again, as you can see, it has the combination of these three colors, the red, the black and the silver. So if you were to even look at it from a color point of view or a color combination point of view, it's nicely designed. It's nice and good. Now if we were to check the ping of the bat, that is how the ping feels, as you can see it's very nice. I'm not even using my entire power. I'm just getting the bat under the ball. And you can see the ping of the bat. So overall, if you ask me, This comes across as a nice and a good bat to own, especially for people who like slightly heavier bats. And this, as I told you, you can find it if you are in Mumbai. You can check it up with SCS Sports, that is Selection Center Sports, and you will find it over there with them. Or you can check it at your local store. You can definitely try it out. It's a nice and a good bat priced at 10,000 rupees. And of course, with the discount, it definitely is a steal if you ask me. So that was my video about this particular product. If you liked it, please go ahead and hit the like button. If you haven't already subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe so that you can see more of these cricketing gear videos which I will be uploading and I will be coming up with. Thank you so much and take good care. Bye-bye.